from or how the congressman is getting them to do it, but 2 by 2, animals of all kinds are working with God's speed to build this ark.
Thank you.
If this flood really does happen, Evan, help us.
Hey, little help? Thanks.
Here it is, hon.
Perfect. Thanks. Oh, right there.
This is Ed Carson coming to you live from New York NOAA's construction site, where we are unable to leave the news van due to hazardous conditions outside.
What's up? High five.
What's up? Hey, buddy. Dylan, Jordan, check it out. Your mom's building an ark. Woo! Listen to this.
No, please, no.
Well, where did the animals come from then? Please, it's a trick.
It's a circus is what it is.
Wild animals running amok in suburban Virginia. With all these species, what's being done about the feces? Evan Baxter, you have gone from newsman to congressman to caveman. What makes you so sure God chose you?
He chose all of us. Time to wash up, you guys. Thanks. Want some?